I've been diagnosed breast cancer, and I had operation February 12. And then because of uncontrolled sugar, na-infect po yung sugat ko and had a hard time to recover or heal yung wound. Hi, ako po si Yani Trasen. I've been diagnosed breast cancer 2B last December 2023, and I had operation February 12. And then because of uncontrolled sugar, na-infect po yung sugat ko and had a hard time to recover or heal yung wound. And eventually, nag-undergone po ako ng radiation, hormonal medications. So, marami pong gamot na pumasok sa katawan ko, and I'm kind of worried. Baka po magkaroon po ako ng problem sa kidneys. And eventually, baka mag-dialysis. So, yun po ang worry ko. So, I'm trying my best na magamot. And buti na lang po, with the kind heart ng mga kapatid ko, mayroon po akong tinatry ngayon na herbal, organic, easy wellness, Dear Placenta. So, nag-start po ito before my radiation. I've been suffering serious leg pain, numbness, talagang hindi pa ako makatulog. But, nag-try out po ako na subukan tong product na to. First, second day, medyo may detox ako na naranasan, medyo nangihina, and parang gusto ko lagi matulog. So, sa tingin ko, sabi ko, parang nag-detox ako. With the next days, nakaramdam na po ako ng progress, parang level ng pain na 8 to 7 sa legs ko. Napunta po siya ng 5, 4, 3, and thank God ngayon, tolerable na siya. Tolerable na siya na dati nagkahaplas ako lagi na kung ano sa legs ko. Efficacent oil, ointment and everything. Pero now, I'm glad to say na with the help of this product, nakakayanin ko na matulog ng maayos sa gabi at hindi na ako nagkahaplas na kung ano ng ointment. And I just finished one bottle. So hopefully, with the next one, I'm excited kung ano pa yung magagawa sa akin ng product.